Meaning of gentrify.
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 Gentrify. The term gentrify refers to the process of renovating or improving a neighborhood, often involving the influx of wealthier residents and businesses, which results in the displacement of the original working class or lower-income inhabitants. Gentrification can have both positive and negative effects on communities, depending on the perspective. On one hand, it can lead to increased economic activity and improved living conditions, but on the other hand, it can also lead to social and cultural displacement of existing residents, rising property values, and increased costs of living, which can force people to move out.